Welcome to the Railway Maths Academy in Ahmednagar. Dear students, in previous lecture, we solving the exercise 1.1. Some questions are solving from this exercise. Now, remaining question, that is question number 4, 5, 6, that questions are now discussed in this lecture. Okay. So, dear students, we have to see this video completely and then write your comment for the progress of the next lecture. Okay. Now see, discuss the exercise 1.1 and question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is express. Question number 4. Express the following angle. Express the following angles. Following angles in a degree. In degree, minutes, and second. Degree, minutes, and in second. For this question, number one example is that is 183.7 degree. 183.7 degree. This example is converted into degree, minutes, and degree, minutes, and in second. Degree, minutes, and second. Now say this 183.7 degree. 183.7 degree. First, we separate this angle in 83 degree plus 0.7 degree. In this example, 183 is the integral part and 0.7 is the decimal part. So first we separated the integral part and decimal part of this example, and it is written as 83 degree plus decimal part is 0.7 degree. Now integral part already converted into degree. There is no change. Now this degree measurement is converted into minute, and that process is 1 degree. If 1 degree is converted into minute, then we multiplied by 60. 1 multiplied by 60, then it is converted into minute, and that will be represented by the single dash. So here 183 is the integral part that already converted into degree. Now decimal part is multiplied by 60. Then it is converted into minutes. Then in next step, 183 degree plus, taking this multiplication, 60 multiplied by 0.7, that multiplication is 7 multiplied 6, that is 42.00. In this multiplication, 42 is the integral part and 00 is the decimal part. Now this integral part is converted into minute. So this multiplication is completely 42 minute. And if this process is completed, then this will be written as 83 degree some space and 42 minutes. Okay. In this multiplication, decimal part is 00. That's why it is not converted into second. So it will be 0 second or simply written as 183 degree and 42 minutes. So that is the required degree measurements are converted into degree, minute and in second. So that is the first example. Similarly, now we are solving the second example under the question of express the following angle in degree, minutes and in second. Second example is 245.33 degree. 245.33 degree. Again it is separated into decimal part and integral part. So decimal part already converted into degree. Decimal part is 0.33 degree. 245 degree and 0.33, it is the decimal part, and this decimal part is converted into minute, so we multiplied by 60, then it is converted into minutes. Multiplied by 60, then it will be converted in 60. Now say this 245 degree plus 245 degree plus, now this multiplication 0.33 multiplied by 60, 0, 6 2 3 is 18, 1 is carried, 6 2 3 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19. After 2 point we give the decimal. Again it is converted into integral part and decimal part. So this 19.80 is converted into minutes. Again we separated into two parts. 245 degree plus 19 minutes plus 0.80 minutes, as similar with the degree. Again integral parts separated and decimal parts are separated. 245 degree plus 19 minutes, and this minute is converted into second. Again multiplied by 60. Again multiplied by 60. So we get 245 degree plus 19 minute, and this multiplication 80 multiply 6, 8 to 6 are 48.00. So 48 second. Second is represented by the double dash. So last step 245 degree, 19 minutes and 48 second. So that is the required answer of this second example, which is converted into degree, minutes and in second. So that is the required solution of this equation. I observe this carefully and now see the last example under this question, and that example is 1 upon 5 radian. 1 upon 5 radian. In previous two example, degree measurements are given, but in this example, given measurements are given in radian. So first we converted into degree, then this degree is converted into minutes, and remaining decimal part is converted into second. So that is the process. Now see this, 1 upon 5 radian equal to 1 upon 5 radian measurements is converted into degree, so multiplied by 180 upon pi. So that total number is converted into degree measurements. Then 5 is divided to the 180, so 5 1 to 36 the 180. So remaining number is 36 upon pi degree. 36 upon pi degree. Put the value of pi. 36 upon 3.14. That is the value of pi. Pi is 3.40. Now 36 upon 3.40 is equal to, this division is equal to 11.46. 11.46. Now this 11.46 is similarly converted in this way. Similarly, it is converted by using the process of previous examples. Now see this solution. 11.46, that will be converted 11 degree plus 0.46 degree, and this 0.46 degree is converted into minutes by multiplied by the 60 degree. 11 degree plus, now taking this multiplication, 46 multiply 60, 0, 6 to 6 the 36, 3 is carried, 6 to 4, 24 plus 3, that is 27, it will be 27.60 minutes. 27.60 minutes. Now again separate the integral part, decimal part. (11 degree plus 27 minutes), and this 60 is converted into second. So 0.60 multiply again 60, it is the convert into second. So 11 degree plus 27 minutes. 11 degree plus 27 minutes, and this multiplication is 36. Actually it is 36.00, but decimal part is 0, that's why we written as 36. And now final answer is 11 degree 27 minutes and 30 second 36 seconds. So that is the process to solving the examples. Now we completed the question number 4, which is in the exercise 1.1 in paper 1. कि मुझे अब लगता है कि ये एग्जाम्पल जो है आपके समझ में पूरी तरह आए होंगे। बहुत ही इजीली क्वेश्चन है ये। आपको सिर्फ उसकी जो प्रोसेस है अगर वो आपको पता है ठीक तरह से तो किसी भी टाइप का एग्जाम्पल जो वो आप इजीली उसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। नाउ राइट द एग्जाम्पल नंबर 5. Solving the example number 5. In triangle, example is in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, measurement of angle A is 7 pi by 36. 7 pi upon 36 radian. 7 pi upon 36 radian. Angle B is 100. Measurement of angle B is 120 degree. 120 degree. Find the question is find the measurement of angle C in a degree and radian. Degree and radian. Now see this. In triangle ABC, measurement of angle A is 7 pi upon 36 radian. 7 pi upon 36 radian. And angle B is measurement of angle B is 120 degree. And we calculate the measurement of angle C. Calculate the measurement of angle C. To solving this example, these measurements may be converted into same degree, maybe in radian measurements or maybe into degree measurements. So it is a simple process. If we convert it into degree measurements, then therefore measurement of angle A is converted into degree. So 7 pi by 6 multiply 180 upon pi. So roughly we taking the calculation. 7 pi upon 36 multiply 180 upon pi. Pi and pi get cancelled. 36 to 5. 36 to 5 is 180 and that multiplication is 35. So measurement of angle is 35 degree. Pi and pi cancel. 36 to 5. So converted into any one measurements. Now in triangle ABC, we know that the property, and that property is measurement of angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. So angle A is 35 degree, angle B is 120. Calculation of angle C equal to 180 degree. 35 plus 120, that addition is 155 plus angle C. So angle C equal to 180 minus 155. Therefore 180 minus 155, 180 minus 55, that subtraction is 5 to 25 degree. So third angle is 25 degree. Now this 25 degree is converted into radian also. Therefore, measurement of angle C equal to 25 multiplied by pi upon 180. 25 multiply pi upon 180. 25 and 180 is divisible by 5. So 5 to 5 are 25. 5 to 3 are 15. 5 to 6 are 30. So that answer 5 pi upon 36 radian. So your final answer 25 degree or 5 pi upon 36 radian. So that is the third angle of this example. So it is the example number 5, which are solving in degree measurements as well as in radian measurements. So that is the required answer of this question. Now we are solving the next example, example number 6 in the exercise 1.1. So in this example, two angles are 5 pi upon 9 and 5 pi upon 9 and 5 pi upon 18 and 5 pi upon 18, both of the radian measurements. Find the degree, find the degree and the radian, find the degree and radian measures of third angle. तो मुझे लगता है कि आप इस एग्जाम्पल को इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. जैसा क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 हमने सॉल्व किया इस प्रॉपर्टी से, मेजरमेंट ऑफ एंगल ए, एंगल बी, एंगल सी, देन calculate the third angle and convert it into radian as well as into degree measurements. That is a simple process. Maybe solving this, consider angle A is 5 pi upon 9 and angle B is angle B 5 pi upon 80, both of the radian measurements. These radian measurements are converted into degree multiplied by 180 upon pi. Pi cancel 9 to 20, so it multiplication is easily we get the 100 degree. Similarly, this angle converted into degree 180 upon pi cancel 18 to 1 10, so this multiplication is 50 degree. Angle B 50 and angle A is 100. Now in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. We know that the property which is similar with the previous example. So angle A is the 100, angle B is the 50. To calculate the angle C, so angle C equal to 180 minus 150. That is the simple 100 plus 50, 150. Angle C is the 30. And this angle 30 degree is converted into radian multiplied by pi upon 180. So easily we get pi by 6 radian. So finally your answer is 30 degree or pi by 6 radian. Okay. So that is the simple example solving the in exercise 1.1. Now see the next example. Next example, and that example is example number 7. Example number 7. And example is in a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, the acute angles are in the ratio 4:5. Acute angles are in the ratio 4:5. Find the angles of a triangle. Angle of a triangle. Angle of a triangle in degree. In degree and radian. Degree and radian. So particularly in this example, we have to given that one triangle is a right angle triangle. Okay. One angle is a right angle triangle. So consider that name is ABC. That name is ABC. So this angle B is already 90 degree, and remaining two angles, angle A and angle C, are in the ratio 4:1. Okay. Then we calculate the angles of a triangle. To calculate the remaining totally three angles of this triangle. Now see this solution. Okay. Draw the figure. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. But remaining angles are angle A equal to 4K and angle C equal to 5. If the angles or maybe any numbers are into the ratio, and if we solving that examples, we taken the constant multiple K, and this K is multiplied to the 4 and K is multiplied to the 5. So this first angle is give the name A and second angle give the name C. So that is the 4K and 5K. Now in triangle ABC, we know that the property angle A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Capital letters represent the angle of a triangles. Now A is the 4K, B is the 90 degree because of it is the right angle triangle, C is the 5K equal to 180. 4K plus 5K, that is 9K. 180 minus 90. Therefore, K is equal to 10. 90 upon 9. Division is the 10. Now this constant multiple multiply to the angle. Then we get the required answer. Now see this. angle A is equal to 4K. So 4 multiplied by 10, multiplication is 40 degree. Multiplication is 40 degree. Similarly, angle B, angle C, that is the 5. 5 multiplied 10, that is 50 degree. So angle A is 90 degree. Angle B is angle B is 90. Angle A is 40 degree. Angle B is 90 degree, and angle C is the 50 degree. That measurements are converted into radians. So easily we have to convert it given measurements into radian. So angle A is 40 degree, and 40 multiplied pi upon 180. 0 and 0 cancel. So 2 to 9. Multiplication 2 pi upon 9. Radian. Angle B 90 degree. So 90 multiplied pi upon 180. So easily we get the pi by 2 radian. And third angle is 50 degree. So 50 multiplied pi upon 180. So that answer is 5 pi upon 80. So given angles are 40 degree, 90 degree and 50 degree in degree measurements, and in radian measurements it is 2 pi upon 9, pi by 2 and 5 pi upon 80. So that is the required solution of the question number 7. Question number 7. तो मुझे लगता है कि आपको ये पूरी तरह समझ में आता ही होगा, ठीक है, क्योंकि ज़्यादा स्पीड से मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ। अभी हम आगे का क्वेश्चन लेंगे और क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इसके बाद का। The sum of, question is, the sum of two angles, the sum of two angles is 5 pi radian, and their difference is 60 degree. 60 degree. Their difference is 60 degree. Find their measures in degree. Find their measures in degree. In degree. In this example, the sum of the two angles is 5 pi radian and their difference is 60 degree. Find their measures in degree. Now see this. Consider these two angles are x and y, both of in the degree, x degree and y degree. Then by given conditions, there are the two conditions. One condition is sum of the two angles is 5 pi. Therefore, x plus y equal to 5 pi. And roughly we calculated the 5 pi equal to 180 upon pi. So this multiplication is 900. So x plus y equal to 900 degree. 5 pi is converted into 900. It is called as the equation number 1 from the first condition. Now second condition, their difference is 60 degree. Difference is 60 degree means x minus y equal to 60 degree. May be taken y minus x, any one condition. So these are the two conditions. First is the sum, second is the difference. Now we are solving these two equations simultaneously. If we are solving these, we take the addition. X plus x is the 2x plus y minus y 0. 900 plus 60, that addition is 960 degree. 2x equal to 960 degree. Therefore x equal to 960 upon 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are and 0. So value of x is 480 degree. Value of x is 480 degree. Now we are solving the remaining angle, that is we have to call as the y degree. So this type of equations are solved in previous standard, in 10th standard, that is the linear equations. So by that process we are solving this. Now see this again. Put x equal to 480 degree in equation 1. So we get x plus x is the 480 plus y equal to 900. Y is equal to 900 minus 480. So y is equal to subtraction, 0 minus 0 is 0, 10 minus 8 that is 2, 1 is carry, so 9 minus 5 that is 4, subtraction is 420. So that is, it is not converted into degree, it is not converted into radian, only answer is required in degree measurements. Answer is required in only degree measurements. So that is the example number 9 and example number 8. Now example number 9. Example number 9. So that example is simple, number 9, but also we solve this example. The measure of angles are in the ratio. The measures of the angles are in the ratio 3 as 7, 3 as 7 as 8. 3 as 7 as 8. Find their measures in degree and radian. Find their measures in degree as well as in radian. So given three angles are in the ratio. Now in solution we have to write the angle of triangle is, first angle is 3K, second is 7K, and third angle is 8K. 8K. We know that the property is sum of the angle of triangle. Sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can write as 3k plus 7k plus 8k equal to 180 degree. This addition is 18k. Therefore k is equal to 10. 180 divided by 18, we get the 10. So k is the constant multiple, and these measurements are converted into degree. Our first angle is 3k. 3 multiplied 10, multiplication is 30. So that is the 30 degree. This 30 degree is converted into radian. So it will be written like this: 30 degree equal to 30 multiplied by pi upon 180. So that's answer is pi by 6 radian. So 30 degree is converted into radian. Similarly, second number, that is the 7k. 7 multiplied 10, it will be 70 degree. Again 70 degree is converted into radian multiplied by the 180 degree. That multiplication is 7 pi upon 80. 0 and 0 get cancelled, and multiplication is 7 pi upon 80. And last angle, that is the 8k. So 8 multiplied 10, it will be 80 degree. 80 degree. And this 80 degree is converted into radian. So 80 multiplied pi upon 180. So multiplication 0 0 cancel. 2 2 4 is 8 and 2 2 9 is 18. Multiplication 4 pi upon 9 radian. So final answer is, degree measurements are 30 degree, 70 degree and 80 degree, and radian measurements are pi by 6, then 7 pi by 18, and then 4 pi upon 9. So that is the required answer of the given solution. Okay. So in this lecture we have to completed the question number up to question number 9. In next lecture we completed this exercise. That questions are from the 10 to remaining questions are solving in next लेक्चर. ठीक है, तो आपको ये लेक्चर देखने के बाद जो भी आपका कमेंट है वो आप हमें भेज दीजिएगा, जिसकी वजह से मैं अगला लेक्चर इससे भी अच्छा प्रोग्रेस करूंगा. ठीक है, तो सी यू इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर.